Assuming you have already registered as a member, the next thing to do is to sign in. Click sign in here, input your details and sign in. You'll first be taken to a questionnaire which will ask you a few questions around what your plans are, what you want to do, what you want from the website. When you have completed the questionnaire, you will be provided with a recommendation. There are various recommendations, and some of the recommendations will tell you to contact us directly. Once you have completed the questionnaire, your dashboard should look a little like this. You can check events coming up. If you click on the marketplace, first thing you'll notice is you can filter by beginner, intermediate and advanced. In the marketplace, you'll see access to webinars, workshops and courses. Let's say I wanted to buy this expense tracker workshop. I simply click on it and add it to my cart. Same goes for this webinar. If I check my basket and check out, I can then proceed to complete my order. If I then check my resources, I should see the webinar and the workshop that I bought earlier, some of which are free and some of which are paid. Next, we have the investment assessment where you can look at your suitability and risk profile. There is an investment calculator which you can play around with to see your potential returns. This is based on your starting amount, your additional contribution, your return rate, and your years to grow. We also have the retirement calculator, which looks at your current age, your retirement age, your starting amount, your yearly annual contribution, and your required retirement amount. It provides you with estimated total returns at your retirement age.